going to be showing you the unboxing of a Fanvil X210 IP phone. Inside the box you will find a quick installation guide, our phone, a curly cord, a LAN cable, a handset, and our phone stand. Let's have a look at the Fanvil X210. The Fanvil X210 is an enterprise level IP phone. It has got a full colour screen plus colour BLFs and DSSs down the side. The Fanvil X210 has built-in Bluetooth for Bluetooth headsets and mobile pairing. Let's have a look on the back of the phone. On the back of the phone you'll find a plug so you can use power instead of PoE if PoE is not available to you. However, power packs do not come standard in the box. You'll find your standard networking plugs, plus you will find a headset port for a RJ9 cabled headset or EHS for a DECT headset. Also your handset cord goes in there. On the side of the phone you'll find a USB port, and here that USB port is for Wi-Fi dongles, so you can run wirelessly with this phone instead of relying on LAN cable if it is not available to you. It also allows you to plug in a USB for voice recording and for software updates. Now let's put this phone together. I'm going to take the handset and we're going to take the short end of the curly cord and plug it into the base of the handset like so. We're then going to take the long end of the curly cord and plug it into the back of the phone as indicated by the headset symbol. And then we're going to feed the cable through the channel like so. Now for the stand. The stands on the X210s are double-sided, which gives you two different heights you can choose from. So today we're just going to go with this height here. It goes in the slot like so. And we'll pull the phone over, and there we have our Fanvil X210 Enterprise IP phone.